The same robot that's building luxury BMWs in South Carolina might soon be walking into your living room. It's called Figure 3, and it's a humanoid robot that's learning faster than anyone expected. It's built by a California startup called Figure AI. This machine isn't just following code, it's learning, adapting, and even talking naturally with humans. This thing could change the way we think about work forever. This is not a sci fi movie prop, it's a real robot that's been quietly working inside BMW's South Carolina plant, learning how to perform complex hands on tasks. We're talking about assembling components, handling tools, and adapting in real time, things that once required human intuition. And here's the crazy part, the more it works, the smarter it gets. Now, Figure 3 doesn't just repeat instructions, it self learns through repetition. Every time it completes a task, it improves on it the next time. It's kind of like watching a human intern become an expert overnight, except this one doesn't need coffee breaks. Now, thanks to a partnership with OpenAI, Figure 3 can understand and respond in natural language. So instead of saying something robotic like move box, you can say, hey, help me clean this up, and it just understands. It recognizes objects, it adapts to its own surroundings, and executes tasks with frightening precision. Now, this isn't just another robot arm or warehouse bot. Figure 3 walks, it talks, it thinks, and it reacts in ways that feel human. Now, imagine an assistant that can handle repetitive factory work and dangerous jobs, then one day transitions to helping people at home, caring for the elderly, cleaning, or even assisting in hospitals. The company behind it says their goal is simple but bold. It's going to make human-level labor scalable. That means a workforce that never sleeps, never gets tired, and keeps improving every single day. Right now, Figure 3 isn't for sale. It's still being refined, trained, and tested, but what's happening in BMW's factories is just the beginning. Think about it. We already have self-driving cars, AI assistants, and now we have robots that can literally do anything. If Figure 3 hits the consumer market, it could completely redefine how we think about work, not just in factories, but in homes, offices, and everywhere in between. So what do you think? Are we looking at the future of labor or the beginning of something a little too intelligent? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you trust a humanoid robot in your own home? Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss more news in the automotive world. I'm DC5 James, and I'll see you on the next video.